Today we're having a look at the Seraphon Kroxigors. Oh yeah. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the new Seraphon Kroxigors. This whole unit, 3 of them. Man, these models were previewed a while ago. Where did we get that? It was a Adepticon, wasn't it? It was a Adepticon, I think it was. And these models look really, really cool. I like them in the default form as well as the other form. The other form is really, really cool. I'm excited to have a look at these sprues. And yeah, let's have a look at the back of the box. A big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Yeah, I'm really, really excited. And a huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones as well. A huge, huge thank you to all of you for enabling me to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge, huge thank you to everybody. Yeah, back of the box, yeah, we have the Kroxigor Warspawn and the regular Kroxigor. Warspawn, they're really, really cool. I like these guys because they look like gators. And there is this model here in particular, he seems very, very familiar. He's very, very familiar. And anybody who knows about gator men, yeah. Pretty darn cool. Let's have a look inside the box. Let's dig our way in. Let's just cut into the cellophane. I like when I have lots of nice cellophane on the boxes. It makes it for a very complete unboxing experience. Oh yeah, some cellophane. Yeah. All right, let's dive in. So this box is a typical box for a unit. I don't even know what the dimensions are really on this box. It looks like we get 3 frames in the box. We have the instruction guide as well as 3 big, I think these are like 60 mil bases. I think they're 60, maybe 50 mil, 60 mil, I don't know. Anyway, let's have a quick look at the instructions. What size base are these? Is this gonna tell me? This is not gonna tell me. So the Kroxigor Warspawn, oh, look at that. Oh, they are just the same. See, I wasn't too sure. When I was looking at the previews, I wasn't too sure if it was just the heads and the weapons or if it was like, you know, the upper body. But no, they're exactly the same. It's just the paint jobs that are slightly different on them. Very, very interesting. So we get few weapon options for them. The bodies are all pretty much the same, except for obviously whatever weapon options you assign to them. You can do the 2 different heads, one with the regular Kroxigor head or one with the Warspawn. I like the Warspawn. The Warspawn look really, really cool. They just look dangerous. They look dangerous, and I like that. 50 mil base, that's what these bases are. They're 50 mils. Yeah, look at that. The warrior leader, I think he's the champion or whatever, he's got like a necklace or something. Very, very cool. I like all these little details on these guys. Yeah, these Warspawn are really, really cool. I like the fact that they're just these angry looking gator like duders. Yeah, pretty darn cool, man. Well, it looks like there's even some variability on the base detail. Then of course we get to look at the little peek at the rules for them. And of course we have 3 sprues for all of these models. We will take a closer look as well as a sniff test. And in fact, yeah, let's go in for the closer look right now. Okay, so now we're going to have a closer look at the sprues. So there are, again, 3 frames. Oh, man, that big thing is pretty crazy. Look at the big club. It's going to bash you good. Yeah, I really like the Warspawns. They're really cool. I mean, I like the default Kroxigor as well. They're really cool looking, but the Warspawn are just so aggressive looking. And I really dig that. I dig it. I honestly thought that the Kroxigor, the Warspawn Kroxigors, I thought they had different shoulders and like all this detail on their carapace, on their back and everything. I thought that was only just the Warspawn ones, but apparently the regular Kroxigors have that as well. And that's a bit of a surprise to me because, yeah, I wasn't really expecting that. I was not expecting that. Really fantastic looking details on these things. Let's have a look at the next frame here. Now, I don't know if any of these are identical or what have you, but let's see. Yeah, like the little necklace details, the little clubs on the tails. Even this one here is really, really cool. Yeah, I like all these little details. I like the jewelry. Kroxigors are cool. Yeah, these Warp Spawn ones, man. They're just like full-on angry gators. They're just angry gators. Really, really cool. Yeah, I like this neck piece. That's really cool. All right, let's have a look at the next frame. Yeah, look at this. So this is the third frame. We're getting a look at all the little details. Yeah, I really, really enjoy these models. These are really cool. Again, I'm not too sure which way to paint them. If I get around to painting these guys, what should I paint them? Should I paint them like in a similar theme as to what I did for the Source Warrior? Or should I do that in a different scheme? Something original or something different? Or even established? I'm okay with established color schemes as well. I'm not like some sort of color scheme snob where it's got to be my invention alone. It's just the back. The back don't have a lot of things going on, but yeah. But anyway, time for a sniff test. Smells like chicken. Oh man. Yeah. You can smell the crocodilians. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. And so that is the unboxing of the new Seraphon Kroxigors. I think these models are really, really fantastic. I had a lot of fun painting up the Source Warrior Alpha. And in the Fresh Tip tutorial series, I may get to these Kroxigors. What do you guys think should be a good color scheme? Let me know down below. Again, huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. A huge thank you to all my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. And a huge thank you to all my new patrons, as well as my returning patrons. A huge, huge thank you. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all of that helps the channel as well. All it takes a couple of clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe even a live stream. Who knows? Could even be a bat rep. Okay, bye.